heard me correctly. I got a 32-inch 13x6 frontal for Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and a first look review of this wig I bought. I ordered a wig off of Aliexpress. It came really fast. I'm going to link the details in the bio. I think I ordered it sometime last week and it came in like 4 days. This is the packaging it came in. The name of the hair is called Hot Star. So I'm gonna open this package and we're gonna get a first look of how this hair is. Also, you know, just feeling it out. So it comes in this nice silk bag. I can't read it. The bag says 100% human hair, new life beginning. We will continue to work hard to provide quality hair and good customer service. Thanks. And it also, I guess, has its logo on it that I did not see before. Inside the bag, it comes with lashes. They're like business card for TikTok, a wig cap, and it's a wig cap that's actually my color. I never get wigs that come with wig caps that come my color. They always come way too light. But wow, a brown girl wig cap, we love to see it. And then the actual wig, it's actually packaged really nice. Like, this is some thick plastic. Wow, this is nice. This is the wig. So this is supposed to be a 13x6 frontal 32-inch body wave. Actually, I lied. This is supposed to be a 13x6 32. This is supposed to be a 13x6 32-inch straight hair wig. I'm kind of excited. Wow. This is the hair. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I literally can't remember the last time I've done a straight black wig. I'm gonna take this out. Let's see. This is what I see the girlies be doing. I think it's, for an unboxing, I think it's good. This is an HD lace frontal. I haven't bleached the knots or anything, and I'm not going to because I'm going to get it professionally installed. But first impression, it's really giving. It comes with baby hairs. It says it's pre-plucked. It's giving a nice hairline. Wow, no tangles. We love to see that. For a first impression of me unboxing this wig, I am very impressed. I mean, of course the hair does have a smell, but to be honest, what wig you buy doesn't. The hair is long and soft, and it was affordable. I got a 13x6 frontal, 32 inches, HD lace for $185. I don't think y'all heard me correctly. I got a 32-inch 13x6 frontal for $185. That might be the cheapest wig I've ever bought. Not even might be. This is the cheapest wig I've ever bought. So first impression, for me to get an HD lace 13x6 and for the hair to have such good quality, I'm very impressed. Hot Star on Aliexpress, y'all did y'all thing. Y'all giving good quality hair for affordable prices. So the next part of this video is gonna be me when I have it installed. I'm not a professional. I don't know how to install wigs, and I really don't want to mess up this beautiful wig. So I'm gonna get it professionally installed. I already have my appointment booked. So stay tuned to part 2 so y'all can see how it looks on my hair. I want to put it on so bad. I want to put it on. I want to put it on. This big ass puff, I can't put it on. I'm over here acting like a fool. Imagine how good it look when I have it installed properly. It's the lump for me. Once I get the wig installed, I'm gonna come back and give you a real review of how the hair is, but so far, just as unboxing it, I'm greatly impressed. So this is part 2 with the hair installed. This install is now 2 weeks old, and I honestly forgot to record it when I first got it done. But like, let's get into the lace. I mean, of course you see lace, but like, I don't know, I think it's valid. Don't mind the bald spot. Like I said, this install is 2 weeks old. But the hair itself is good. The hair is good. It doesn't shed crazy. It has a little bit of tangles, but you know, nothing crazy. But this is the hair installed. I would highly recommend. It came really fast. The quality of the hair is good. I like it. Don't get me wrong, like remember, this is 2 weeks old, so that's why it doesn't look as fresh as it should. But you know, it's cute. For a 2-week install, I feel like it's holding up. Like, it looks good. Not me feeling myself. Wow. So you see how long the hair comes up to? Like, it comes up to my hips. Nice 32-inch straight hair. It definitely passes my butt. And you know how like most vendors, they would be like 32 inches and then you would get like a 10-inch frontal. The frontal is actually pretty long. Like, the hair is long, the frontal is long. So you know, I'm content. Like, this is some good quality hair. Probably don't care, but I'll show you how like I've been preserving the hair for the past 2 weeks. I've been using a stocking to preserve it. So you take some sheer stocking and I cut out holes at the bottom of the feet. What I do is I make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled. I run my hand all the way through the stocking. Right? Part my hair in 2 sides. And then I pull the hair through the stocking. That's one pigtail. And then I'm gonna run my hand through it on the other side. I pulled it through on this side too. The camera died, so it didn't show. But I have my 2 pigtails, and then I pull the stocking up. Please don't mind how dirty the stocking is. And then I pull the like stocking leg down. And I'm gonna wrap it around my head. Keeps the hair out of my way and also somewhat keeps the hair straight. I'm gonna just, you see this big run? It's embarrassing. Oh my god. I'm gonna just, and then I tie it up. With the hair wrapped around like that, it doesn't like curl. Like, it doesn't keep it 100% straight, but you know, it gets the job done and it gets out of my way. Like, I'm free. And I'm just gonna throw my bonnet on top. And then that's how I preserve my hair at night. If you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to see me do more hair reviews, comment down below what other vendors I should try. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.